Good afternoon, class 10 students. We are doing areas related to plane figures, okay, circles. We are doing areas related to circles, and so we have seen the area of segment. Area of segment. This is a segment. This is a circle. Angle theta. This is called segment, and the area of segment is theta upon 360 pi r square. Okay, and we got length of an arc. Length of an arc is equal to theta upon 360 2 pi r. Okay, and area of segment in terms of length of an arc, this is area of sector. Okay, this is area of not segment, it is area of sector. Segment we will find. Length of an arc is this, area of sector is theta upon 360 pi r square. Area of sector in terms of length of an arc is half L into R. Right, so these three formulas we have done. So right now we'll consider one more formula, how to find the area of segment. So suppose we have a circle here, okay, and these are the radius. This is segment OAB. So this is the segment, and what is the area of segment? Area of segment, as you can see here, area of segment is equal to area of sector minus this triangle AOB. Area of sector minus area of triangle AOB. Okay. Now area of sector we already know, theta upon 360 pi r square minus area of triangle. Now area of triangle we can find a formula by putting a perpendicular. Okay. So suppose this angle is theta and these two triangles are congruent. So let this be height. Area of triangle is half AB into OD. This is the triangle, half AB into OD. Now this AB and OD, half AB we can write as BD. So this is BD into OD. Okay. Now this is R. So this OD is R of cos theta and BD is R of sin theta, because you can see this sin theta is equal to BD upon OD. Okay. So BD upon OB, that is BD upon R. So we get BD is equal to R sin theta. Similarly, OD is equal to R cos theta. We can put the value here, theta upon 360 by R square minus BD is R sin theta. So R square sin theta into cos theta. This is the formula for area of segment when theta is known. This theta and this theta is equal. Okay. Now if you know higher trigonometry, then you can convert this into theta upon 360 pi r square, and if I take this complete angle as theta, then this can be written as minus half r square sin theta. Okay, or you can write it as 2 theta. Suppose if you take this as theta, then this is also theta, then this becomes 2 theta. So normally we just consider this 2 theta as one angle theta. So we sometimes write half r square sin theta. So this you should understand. Area of segment. This is your segment. Segment, the area is theta upon 360 pi r square minus half r square sin theta, where if I take theta as complete angle. Half angle, then that is a different formula. If it is half angle, then you can understand it like this. We have already written that formula, right? Now suppose theta is 90 degree, then sin 90 is 1. This formula reduces to theta by 360. Okay, and 90 by 360 is 1 by 4 pi r square minus half r square. This is the area of segment when theta is 90 degree. When theta is 60 degree, this triangle is equilateral triangle. You can directly find theta upon 360 pi r square minus root 3 by 4 r square. Right? Similarly, I can tell you that when theta is 120 degree, okay, it is same as theta is 60 degree, because see, if one side, if I extend this triangle, if one side it is making 120, other side it is making 60 degree, and by median property these two triangles are equal in area. So at theta is 360 also, 120 also, the formula is the same. At theta is equal to 30 degree, okay, so I will make a table for this segment. So theta is equal to 30 degree, the formula is theta upon 360 pi r square minus half r square, and sin 30 is you get 1 upon 4 r square, right? And it is same for theta is equal to 150 degree. You get theta upon 360 pi r square minus, here it is 150 degree, okay? So the area of segment will be much bigger, sector will be much bigger, but this is same. Similarly, for theta is equal to 60 and theta is equal to 120 degree, you get theta upon 360 minus, here it is root 3 by 4 r square. And for theta is equal to 90 degree, you get theta upon 360 pi r square minus half r square. So these are the some values you should understand. And for theta is equal to 45 degree, it is theta by 360 pi r square minus half r square into 1 by root 2. So that is 2 root 2. So theta by 360 pi r square minus 1 upon 2 root 2 r square for 45 degree, and for theta is equal to 135 degree also we can use this formula. So 30 and 150, this 1 by 4, 60 and 120, root 3 by 4, 90, half r square, 45, 1 upon 2 root 2, and 135 also 1 upon 2 root 2, right? So these are some of the values or the formulas for finding area of segment. We just learned one formula, theta by 360 by r square, half r square, sin theta. Okay, theta you are taking complete angle, not the half, right? So I'm sure you will learn this formula, and then you can solve further questions in the next video. So see you in the next class.